Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with a print-on-demand review. So today I have a pillow. I think I did order two things, but so far today the pillow already came. And I can't remember what else I purchased, but when that comes, I will unbox it as well. So Threadless is new to me. I've heard of it before, but I did sign up, so I'm interested to see how the traffic is over there and how much I can make on that platform as well. If you're on Threadless, let me know in the comment section. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. So with Threadless, to me, it looks pretty much like TeePublic and Redbubble, and as far as I can see, it's pretty easy to go ahead and set up this platform. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my scissors, and then I'm going to, I don't think I need a scissors, but I just wanted to get one in case. So it came in a plastic thing like this, and it does have a spot for my logo at the top, but I don't think I did it. And on the outside, it actually tells you what's inside. So like I said, it is a pillow, and you can actually pretty much tell from the shape of the package. So yeah, it really does say like Threadless on here, and it tells you exactly what is inside the bag on the outside. Okay, so I think I got the smallest one, and this is a design that I designed for my Coins and Connections shop here. So the design is on both sides. I made sure I lined it up well where you can see my whole entire design. I did this. Looks good. Okay. I can't wait to like put it on my couch. I think I'm going to do that. I can tell that pillow is pretty good quality. I like the texture of the material. My design came out really well. It looks really good on my couch, as you guys can see. And again, I got this from Threadless. I do have a video also up on my channel already teaching you how to set up your Threadless account and upload your first couple of products. So make sure you go check that out as well. Once I receive the rest of my products, I'll go ahead and make a video to review them as well.
So guys, I did get my mask. It has the elastic ties for the ears. The design did come out really well. I don't like the extra space at the nose and the chin, but overall it printed very nicely.
But again, check out Threadless. It's another print-on-demand site that you should be using. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.